Hey guys, so in this video we're going to go over SMS and email templates. So first things first, when you're logged into your dashboard, hop over to the marketing suite here and then go to text and email templates. At the very top right here, you'll have the option to add a text template or an email template. So let's go with an email template here, for example. So in here, you're going to type in the name of the template. So this is how you're going to remember what the template is used for. So for example, let's go with testing template number 1. And then here you're going to put the subject line of the email line. And here you're going to put the actual template body of the email. So once you've done that, you're going to go down and hit save. And you could do the same thing for text as well. You just put the name of the template so you could remember what it is and the actual copy here, and then hit save. And to actually use these templates, it's really simple. You just go to conversation. And let's say you want to use an email template. You click on email, you click this little document icon here, use a template, and you'll have the option to choose one of the templates you just set up. So in this case, we just set up the testing template number 1. We'll click that, we'll click use template. It'll pre-populate all the fields. You'll have the opportunity to make any edits or tweaks. And then once that's done, you could hit send. And the exact same works for text messages as well. You click the same template icon there, and then you could choose your template, click use template, and then make edits and hit send. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team and we'd be happy to help.